Welcome back, gamers. Today, we've got something exciting for you as we dive into the world of CPUs and bring you the top 5 best gaming CPUs for 2023. If you're looking to power up your gaming rig, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. What sets these CPUs apart from the rest? Let's take a closer look at their features and benefits. At number 5, we have the Intel Core i5-13600K, known for its impressive performance and excellent value for money. It's the perfect choice for gamers who want a solid gaming experience without breaking the bank. Impressive performance for its price range. The raw power of the Intel Core i9-13900K is further amplified with its unlocked capability, allowing you to push the limits with ease. Clocking up to 5.8 GHz, this processor will handle any game or application you throw at it with ease. Ideal for casual and mid-level gaming. Now, let's talk about the massive 36 MB cache. This cache size ensures lightning-fast data access, minimizing any bottlenecks during your gaming sessions or content creation, giving you a smooth and seamless experience. Supports smooth gameplay and multitasking. Let's quickly recap the advantages and benefits of the Intel Core i9-13900K. Massive 24 cores, 8 P-cores plus 16 E-cores, and 32 threads for exceptional multitasking performance. Unlocked clock speed up to 5.8 GHz for extreme gaming and processing power. A generous 36 MB cache for lightning-fast data access and reduced bottlenecks. Integrated Intel UHD Graphics 770, making it an all-in-one solution for casual gaming and productivity. Compatibility with Intel 600 series and 700 series chipset-based motherboards, ensuring future upgrades and versatility. Moving on to number 4, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X. This processor packs a punch with its powerful performance and affordability, making it an excellent option for gamers on a budget. Budget-friendly with excellent performance. Let's start with the impressive specifications of the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D. With 8 cores and 16 processing threads, this processor delivers outstanding multitasking performance, allowing you to effortlessly switch between applications while gaming without any lag. Perfect for esports and mainstream gaming. But that's not all. The Ryzen 7 7800X 3D boasts a massive 100 MB of cache, ensuring lightning-fast data access and minimizing any potential bottlenecks. This means you'll experience smooth gameplay and faster load times, making every second count in your gaming adventures. Comes with a reliable stock cooler. Now, let's talk about that powerful boost. With a max boost of 5.0 GHz, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D takes your gaming experience to the next level. Expect lightning-fast processing and smooth frame rates, even in the most demanding games. One important note, the cooler is not included with the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D. Given its powerful performance, we recommend a liquid cooler to ensure optimal temperatures during your gaming sessions. Speaking of memory, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D supports the latest DDR5 memory technology, offering improved data transfer rates and overall system responsiveness. Get ready to witness faster load times and snappy performance in every aspect of your gaming experience. Coming in at number 3, we have the Intel Core i7-13700K. This CPU is a true powerhouse, delivering incredible speed and multitasking capabilities. It's a top pick for most gamers out there. High core count and clock speed for power users. Let's kick things off with the 16 cores packed inside this beast. Yes, you heard it right, 16 cores. And that's not all. Out of those, 8 are P-cores, which ensure extreme multitasking capabilities, allowing you to run multiple applications simultaneously without any lag. Ideal for content creators and gamers who stream. And alongside the P-cores, there are 8 E-cores, providing you with a total of 24 threads. This means you can handle intensive workloads and demanding tasks with ease, all while enjoying a seamless gaming experience. Enhanced AI technology for better gaming experiences. The raw power of the Intel Core i7-13700K is further amplified with its unlocked clock speed, which can go up to an impressive 5.4 GHz. This means you can expect blazing fast performance in every aspect of your computing needs, whether it's gaming, content creation, or any other task you throw at it. Now, let's talk about the 30 MB cache. With such a generous cache size, the i7-13700K ensures lightning-fast data access, reducing any potential bottlenecks and keeping your system running smoothly at all times. One of the standout features of this processor is its performance hybrid architecture. This innovative design intelligently prioritizes and distributes workloads to optimize performance, making sure you get the most out of each core and thread for every task you tackle. Now, let's talk about the runner-up, the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D. This processor combines raw power and innovative technology, making it one of the best overall AMD CPUs for gaming. Let's start by talking about what makes this processor stand out from the crowd. With 6 cores and 12 processing threads, the Ryzen 5 5600X is designed to deliver exceptional performance in multitasking scenarios, providing you with the power you need for both gaming and productivity tasks. Top-tier performance for hardcore gaming. One fantastic inclusion with the Ryzen 5 5600X is the AMD Wraith Stealth cooler, which comes bundled with the processor. This quiet and capable cooler ensures that your processor stays cool under heavy loads, allowing you to push it to its limits without worrying about overheating. Unlocked multiplier for easy overclocking. Speaking of gaming, the Ryzen 5 5600X can achieve elite 100+ FPS performance in the world's most popular games. Say goodbye to lag and stuttering, and get ready for a smooth and immersive gaming experience like never before. Designed for 4K gaming and heavy workloads. And guess what? The Ryzen 5 5600X is unlocked, giving you the freedom to overclock it to even higher clock speeds. If you're into tweaking and pushing your hardware to the max, this processor will not disappoint. And for all you tech-savvy folks, the Ryzen 5 5600X is compatible with multiple operating systems, including Windows 11 64-bit edition, Windows 10 64-bit edition, RHEL x86 64-bit, and Ubuntu x86 64-bit. So, no matter which OS you prefer, this processor has got you covered. And finally, at number 1, we have the highly anticipated Intel Core i9-13900K. This beast of a CPU is the ultimate gaming processor, offering mind-blowing performance that will take your gaming experience to a whole new level. Unmatched performance for extreme gamers. Let's kick things off by highlighting the core power of the Intel Core i5-13600K. With 14 cores in total, it's designed to deliver beyond real-world performance, ensuring you can handle intensive multitasking scenarios with ease. Advanced multitasking and hyperthreading. Out of those 14 cores, 6 are P cores, delivering powerful performance in single-threaded tasks and gaming. Alongside the P cores, there are AD cores, providing you with a total of 20 threads, giving you the processing power you need for any demanding task. Now, let's talk about the 24 MB cache. This generous cache size ensures quick data access, minimizing any potential bottlenecks during multitasking, and providing you with a smooth and seamless computing experience. Perfect for virtual reality and future-proofing your setup, the i5-13600K is designed for compatibility with Intel 600 series and 700 series chipset-based motherboards. Just ensure to check for any BIOS updates to ensure seamless compatibility and optimal performance. For those who love Intel Optane memory, you'll be delighted to know that the i5-13600K supports it as well. Experience improved system responsiveness and faster load times for your frequently used applications and games. There you have it, the top 5 best gaming CPUs for 2023. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, there's a CPU on this list to suit your needs and budget. Make sure to check the links in the description below for the best deals on these gaming processors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. Happy gaming, and until next time, take care.